Health officials are urging Americans to take whichever COVID vaccine is available, even as people say they prefer some other one over the other. Meg Terrell has the results of a nationwide survey on brand preference. It's kind of, I don't know why. I get, people know Pfizer, may not have heard of Moderna. Johnson & Johnson is a household name, so I guess I understand it, but I think it's kind of flawed thinking, really, at this point, that no one really knows what's better or worse. Do you think, Meg?
Well, every public health official would agree with you, Joe. The message is very clear. Take whichever COVID-19 vaccine you can get, the first one you can get, and that is absolutely going to be the best vaccine that can protect you. We did want to see if that message is getting through to Americans. So we worked with global data and survey firm Dynata. It surveyed 1,500 Americans, and we asked the question, if you could choose, which COVID-19 vaccine would you get? Now, more than a quarter said they really did have no preference. That's the yellow there. More than 40% said either of the mRNA vaccines, Pfizer or Moderna, and 29% said Johnson & Johnson. Now, it's really interesting to look at these because, there are some differences among these vaccines, chiefly how many doses you need. The J&J vaccine is just one shot. In its clinical trials, it showed 72% efficacy in the U.S. against disease. Pfizer and Moderna are 2 shots, and in their trials, which were conducted earlier, when there was less disease circulating, they were 95% protective against disease. But the important public health message is all 3 will strongly protect against hospitalization and death from COVID. So that is why the message is get the first one you can. Now, in the real world, we are not going to be able to choose. So we also wanted to know, are people actually going to wait to get the shot they prefer? And the answer is really no. Only 8% of people we surveyed said they were waiting for their brand preference. More than half. So they're going to get their shot as soon as absolutely possible, no matter which one it is.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.